Gentlemen, we welcome you, man. Eshikubo. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we keep the ovens going before we introduce and open the food fair, which is our Fréjus Day. Fréjus, I don't want to tell you what it is made of because majority of us already know. But I'm just going to ask our distinguished Consul General to please, with his amiable wife, before you come to open up, I think he should just give us a welcome speech and do the opening with his amiable wife. Your Excellency.
Thank you all very much. You notice that I am wearing dark glasses. And I'm wearing dark glasses, not only because of the sun. I'm wearing dark glasses because of the lot who want to see me crying. Crying, not of something. Not of being proud of being here because of me. I am almost 17 years old.
Oye, pone tu cámara para hablar, mano.
And I have never felt so much at home as I am doing here tonight. It's a great pleasure and a great honor to be here to be part of this. I really thank you very much. I really wish you all
Now, please, I want people in the community to come forward for their share of the Fréjus and fish. Please, members of the committee should come forward for their Fréjus to the ambassador to flag it off. To flag it off, please. Members of the community, everybody. Hello? Ambassador, that's very nice of you.
Oh yeah. No, what?
Hello, please give me
I was the one that called you now.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.